Living with diabetes can feel like a full-time job, right? Constantly counting carbs, checking blood sugar, calculating insulin doses. It's a lot to manage. Imagine if you had a little helper, a pocket-sized sidekick that could take some of that weight off your shoulders. Well, let me introduce you to Alex. Alex is just like many of us, trying to balance work, life, and managing his diabetes. Some days are tougher than others. Look at this delicious plate of pasta. But how many carbs are in there? How much insulin does he need? It used to be a guessing game filled with anxiety. But now, Alex has a secret weapon. He pulls out his phone and opens the HealthPal app. With just a quick photo of his meal, the app works its magic. It instantly visualizes the food, breaking it down into exact amounts of carbohydrates, protein, and calories. No more guesstimating. The plate of pasta is no longer a mystery. Based on this precise data, HealthPal calculates the exact insulin dose Alex needs. It considers his current blood sugar levels, his insulin sensitivity, and even his planned activity for the day. Alex can now enjoy his meal with confidence, knowing he's got the right dose. This isn't just about making life easier. It's about better control and peace of mind. But HealthPal is more than just a mealtime assistant. It's a guardian angel, always watching over you. One afternoon, Alex is out for a run. He starts feeling dizzy and weak. His blood sugar is dropping fast. Before Alex even realizes the severity, HealthPal detects the dangerous drop through his connected continuous glucose monitor. Immediately, an alert flashes on his screen. Hypoglycemia detected. Immediate action required. But it doesn't stop there. This is where HealthPal becomes a true lifesaver. In a critical situation where Alex might be unable to help himself, the app initiates its emergency response protocol. It sends an automated emergency signal containing his exact location and vital medical information to his preset emergency contacts and local emergency services. But here's the game changer. HealthPal is designed to integrate with future biotreatment devices. In this scenario, it could trigger a connected micro device to administer a life-saving dose of glucagon automatically, stabilizing his blood sugar long before help arrives. Imagine another scenario. Alex accidentally takes too much insulin, risking a severe hypoglycemic event. HealthPal's smart algorithm detects the potential overdose based on the insulin logged and his real-time glucose trends. It immediately alerts Alex, advising him to consume a specific amount of fast-acting carbs to prevent a crash. It's proactive, not just reactive. What about high blood sugar? Let's say Alex enjoys a surprise piece of cake at a party. As his glucose levels start to spike, HealthPal notifies him and suggests a precise correction dose of insulin, helping him get back in range smoothly and avoiding the roller coaster of high and low blood sugars. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of diabetes management. A future where you can live your life more freely, with less worry. A future where technology not only informs you, but actively protects you. HealthPal is your personal nutritionist, your diabetes educator, and your emergency responder, all in one simple app. It empowers you to take control of your health with confidence and security. Ready to change the way you manage diabetes? Learn more about how HealthPal can become your trusted health partner. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.